So hello Python developers, let's solve another exciting question problem of Python string, that is advanced string programs, that belongs to advanced string program. Our question problem is find all combination of string. So what we need to find out? Combinations of string. What is combination? Means to write a string in different orders that are not similar to any other order. Okay, so let's write. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this, that is combination combinations.py. Okay, this is our file. Create a function def combinations and parameter as comma current equal to current string, empty string, and initialize index with 0. Okay. If current, then print current. For I in range, for I in range of index comma length of s, that is our string, and combination as comma current plus string with index I comma I plus 1. Okay, after that let's take string as an input. So string equal to input, enter a string, enter a string, that is comma, sorry, so that call the function. So combinations and write with the string. So now run this program. Enter a string. ABC is our string, and here is our all the combinations. Okay, in different orders. So this is a way to find out combinations of a string. Okay, let's find out combinations by using iter tool. So from iter tool import combinations, and let's take string as input. As input enter a string colon. Okay, now use for loop for r in range of 1 comma length of s plus 1 colon for s in combinations r comma s comma r parameters colon, and print with join method, join function, that is c. Okay, we take here s, we wanna take c. Okay, as object c. Now run this. Enter a string. So let's enter a b c d, and these all are combinations for this a b c d string. Okay, so we can find out combinations through this iter tool also. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our upcoming video of Python 500 program series. Okay.